Welcome back to Fitness Empowerment by Danye, a brand dedicated to flexible nutrition, macronutrient tracking, and a lifestyle without unhealthy extremes. What's up, you guys? Good morning. It is Monday, 21st of May. Just finished up a workout, got in a little bit of a back workout, a little bit of cardio. Tell y'all I'm just not happy with my check-in this morning. I feel like I've been really on point with getting all my food together, especially being at Disney, getting in my exercise. I even went back to the hotel early last night, got some extra sleep while everybody else stayed out, and did a few more rides and stuff. And so to wake up this morning and still have my weight be going up when it needs to be going down, you know, it's part of the journey. Trying to, I did my check-in with my coach, waiting for a response. Just need kind of an outside objective opinion on what needs to be changed, or maybe he needs to look at what I've eaten and say, hey, this is a little bit off point. Maybe this is what you're feeling. I don't know, but just sharing with y'all the struggle on a weight loss journey. It is, no matter what kind of a weight loss journey you're on or what kind of a fat loss journey you're on, whether it's just because you want to change your lifestyle or you're shredding to get on a bodybuilding stage, there are ups and downs, ebbs and flows. And when you want the weight to go down, sometimes it just doesn't always go down. So you have to stay calm, drink lots of water, get your sleep in, focus on controlling the variables that you have control over. So right now, walking back to the apartment, gonna get some egg whites in because I brought that with me. I can control that. Probably a little bit of oatmeal or grits because I can control that as well. And really, really stay calm all day. So I'll keep y'all posted. We're going to Magic Kingdom today. I'll let you know where the day goes. So we are headed to Magic Kingdom. Look who just got us Ohana reservation.
And they said they have major protein sources at Ohana.
Did you ask just for me?
I did.
Oh, look at that.
Yes, he said they have steak, chicken, and shrimp, and it's awesome. And it's served family style at your table.
And I can weigh it all out.
Yes.
You have to deconstruct mom's food. That's nice.
Right. I don't have to deconstruct anybody's food. It's already going to come deconstructed. Right?
Yep.
Okay, so we're about to get on the monorail, heads to Magic Kingdom, and it should be right there. Look at that. Okay, bye.
Aloha and welcome aboard. For those of you standing, please hold on to the handrails throughout our journey and stay clear of the doors. Our next stop is Disney's Grand Floridian Resort and Spa.
The confectionery, make our way to Starbucks, and take some photos of some different things that are commonly purchased and let y'all know what the nutrition facts on them are. I am blown away right now. They just gave me the nutrition facts for every item they bake in the confectionery here. So I'm just like floored, absolutely floored that they have all this information. I probably just spent 20 minutes taking photos of every nutrition label that they have, and it's incredible. So now you know if you track your macros, you're worried about what you can and can't have, or how much fat, how much sugar, how many carbs, this and that, we got you covered. But you're gonna have to get it in the ebook because it's not going in the vlog. It's way too much information, but I'm so beyond excited right now, so you're gonna love it. All right, we got our Starbucks. We're good for the rest of the day. Okay, no, we're good for like 2 hours, but we've got a tall, non-fat, flat white with 1 pump of caramel just to get a little bit of flavor in there. That's gonna be 5 grams of carbs, 5 grams of sugar. And then in the bag, it's just gonna be a spinach, egg white, and feta wrap. So totally normal things that I get on an everyday basis. So went by the ice cream place and they were not super willing to share, well, they didn't have a lot of nutrition facts like the calories and the macronutrients. They have an allergy list information. That's not gonna be super helpful as far as what I'm looking to do for you guys, but they do have the allergy information and they gave me some contact info to get more information from the chefs themselves. So hopefully they'll respond to my emails in a little bit. And then I went into Casey's Corner to see if they had any nutrition fact information. They don't have any information either, so they referred me to guest relations to see what allergy emails and things they have so I can get in contact again with the chefs and see what further information they can provide to me. So I'll keep you posted. We just finished our lunch. How was your breakfast?
It was very good, and it felt very filling without making me feel uncomfortable.
That's good. Tacos.
Cannot see anybody on that beach. Canoe. They must have scared. Honestly, I have no idea what it could have been. Probably was that giant python on that tree right over there. Do you know how we can tell that's a python and not a boa? How? There are no feathers. Now, folks, we haven't entered into many looking around as in their nature. If you're wearing any hello.
All right, on our way to Tomorrowland, gonna hit up Space Mountain and maybe the People Mover, try to get a few more photos, and then we've got early dinner plans, 3:30 at the Polynesian Ohana restaurant. Did I say that right? Ohana. I think that means family. Does it? Is it Moana? Moana's the girl.
Wait, what are we talking about, Moana?
Ohana.
Ohana's the dinner we're going to. I'm excited. It means family. Ohana means family, and family means nobody gets left behind.
I'd leave you behind for food.
I would too, it's okay. I'm just quoting a movie.
All right, we are back at the Polynesian. It's time for an early dinner. I'll show you all what we have, but I left my food scale at the hotel apartment, so there will not be any weighing of food. There will be estimating of food. It is what it is. And so my day is kind of coming to an end. Mom, Kathy, and Heather, and Megan decided to go back to Magic Kingdom, and I am waiting on an Uber after dinner to go back to our hotel and get some client check-in work done. It is a Monday, but I still have my lovely obligations, which, you know, I love what I do, so that's okay. And I'm incredibly full anyway, so I don't need to put myself around any more food or whatnot, and I've done plenty of exercise, plenty of walking, got my workout in this morning. It's all good to go. I'm probably going back to Epcot tomorrow. I think the rest of my family is going to Hollywood Studios, but I have a lot more information to get from Epcot, so I will see y'all there. Bye.
Be empowered to make a change in your life and take the next step on your health and fitness journey.